Phone, a device used to make calls, send messages, and access the internet wirelessly. Call, to speak to someone using a phone. Message, written or spoken information sent from one person to another. Communicate, to share thoughts, feelings, or information with others. Screen, the flat surface on a phone where you can see information. Text, to send a written message to someone using a phone. Contact, a person you can reach out to using your phone. Dial, to input a phone number on a phone. Ring, the sound a phone makes when someone is calling. Button, a small object on a phone that you press to make something happen. Charge, to give power to a phone's battery. Keyboard, the part of the phone where you type letters and numbers. Camera, a feature on a phone that lets you take pictures. Internet, a network that allows phones to connect to websites and other devices. App, a program or software that you can use on your phone for different purposes. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I need to buy a new phone for work. 2. Can you call me when you get home? 3. I sent you a message on your birthday. 4. It's important to communicate clearly in English class. 5. The screen on my phone cracked when I dropped it. 6. Please text me your address so I can visit you. 7. I lost my friend's contact information. Can you help me? 8. To make a call, just dial the number and press send. 9. My phone will ring when someone calls me. 10. Press the button to turn on the lights. 11. Don't forget to charge your phone overnight. 12. The keyboard on my computer is not working. 13. Let's take a picture with the camera on your phone. 14. I use the internet to search for information online. 15. I downloaded a fun game app on my phone.